The Mi Note 10's 108 megapixel camera has the highest pixel count and image sensor of any available smartphone on the market. But what does all that mean for you? Let's break it down by comparing a sensor to a forest. In this forest, each tree represents a pixel. The total number of trees represent the size of the photo. The quality of the wood from the trees represents the quality of the photo. Under the same light conditions, some trees can produce high-quality wood. The total amount of wood is not high. This is due to the limited size of the forest. This translates to a high-quality, small photo. If we simply increase the number of trees, the size of the forest stays the same, because the trees won't have a lot of space to grow. They will take in less light, which will affect the size of each tree. So even though the total amount of wood increases, the wood wouldn't be of the highest quality. This translates to a large size but low quality photo. See what happens when we increase the number of trees and look to maintain the quality of the wood. We need to expand the size of the forest so that the trees can take in more light. It's just like Mi Note 10, large image sensor and 108 megapixels. This means more details and higher quality photos. Start capturing high quality panoramas and see more details than any other smartphone photos. Too far away? No problem. You have enough pixels to zoom into your photos and still see every detail. Experience 108 megapixels for yourself with Mi Note 10. Enjoy high quality photos.